Hi everybody, it's your first lady, Shelly Xpressionz, aka Bubbles, from the Big Bad YouTube series, The Bartender. I'm inviting you to join us on our Sunday Night Live on Xpressionz JA channel at 8 p.m. where we do reviews and interviews with your favorite personalities. So make it a date and don't be late. Right here at Incognito Vacation Stay live on our Xpressionz JA's YouTube channel. Yes, sir. Yeah, they're both dead. Yeah, the mental health specialist is there with the family. Yeah, we spent 2 years off on them assignment. Yeah, I'm going to check on them now, sir. Okay. That's why Antonia and Anna away already?
Yes, on our way.
You pick up the car?
Yeah,
And you have the other dancers?
yeah man, them there with me.
Make them the most of the work. Come, I need you, Antonia, and keep your eyes them open for anything suspicious.
Definitely.
Send a report when I'm finished to me, alright? And let me know when I'm on the way home.
Alright, will do.
Yo, so how that bad, bro? Your mother or your wife?
No bro, a management.
Oh, my day, I'm just a check because you know you move like you're slick still.
The things they go on in a bit.
Yes, Raymond, me go home. Alright.
You alright? Angie, I know you probably feel away the other day when we just cut. You know, when the lizard jump on you and thing. Listen, we just want you to know something I'm really ready for them
Raymond.
kind of.
I'm not pregnant. So calm yourself. Listen, and every time when the lizard jump on somebody, it means that then it can be somebody in a little circle.
In the same circle, well, I can't whisper. So where I say, Antonian?
I don't know, sir. I did not ask.
I wonder if Mullins get catch again.
Raymond, our relationship not reach nowhere yet for even think about having a child. So nobody think say me I pull a fast one upon you.
I'm glad you understand.
Listen, that is a big decision. And decisions like those have to be made by both parties.